Good morning, good morning. I am headed into the DETOUR area by Iron Mountain. I think it's going to be about, 5 miles of detour. So I'll be paying attention. Just got started. It's about 8. Been out here for about 20 minutes, but it's about 8 o'clock, 8:15. And we are on our way to a shelter, I think about 12.2 miles away today. Been a pretty slow morning for me. I slept okay, not all that great.
Nothing's worse than getting too cocky, going all the way down a hill and realize you weren't supposed to.
Yep. Detour.
I'm good.
Okay.
So CBT gives you more of this, where you don't have to look at your feet all the time.
Hello. I am about 2.4 miles from Clyde Smith Shelter. It's about 2:30. Lots of detours today. And we did get past them. A lot of the guys are still out here cutting trees down and creating safe space for the hikers and people that are coming through. So I'm grateful for that. And long day today, long day. And it just seems later to me. It doesn't seem like it's 2:30. It seems like it's like 5 something. So we are going to be rolling into camp soon. Hey tribe, so I am at Clyde Smith Shelter. It's a little bug in my tent. And today was, because of the detours, and it's a lot of, get out of here, a lot of trail maintainers and workers out. It made the day interesting. Oftentimes when you got to a space where they were working, you had to wait quite a while for them to like cut things down and make sure things were safe. And the detour was long and drawn out. So I'm grateful that that's behind me. And the stairwell going down. Whew, that was fun. So I'm at camp. I'm grateful. The rain has been like off and on today. Thankfully, right now it's not raining. I ate my food, brushed my teeth, and it's like 6 o'clock. I think I'm going to go to sleep early tonight. I want to do at least a 15-mile day tomorrow, if not 17. So we will see. I'm not sure right now, but I'm sleepy. So, hung my bag. What else? Yeah, that's about it. So, and all day long I was thinking it was like later than it was. Like it was like 2:30 and I thought it was like 5:30. So, I don't know. So that's it, y'all. See you tomorrow. Love and hike.